What do you think of the new cake trend? These new number and letter cakes, they're pretty cool. You'll see them everywhere, made from cookies, pastries, or cake. I chose to make mine with cake. This is a really fun project to do with kids as well. I prepared ahead by baking a simple 13 by 9 sheet cake of vanilla. I did 2 layers. I carved out the numbers that corresponded with the ages of Evan, who is 5, and Harrison, who just turned 3. I bought candy, pretty marshmallows, fresh roses, macarons, and strawberries. The kids helped to make the whipped cream, and we had a blast putting it all together. Enjoy and give this super fun and pretty cake trend a try. You will need some letters or numbers. Find letters on the internet and then print them out. You can make them as big as you want if you have a Word or a program like Word, and then you print them out and then you cut them. And then I traced it onto cardboard because I want to make a thicker template. So then if a little piece of cardboard, trace it on there. So once you have your template, you're ready to cut out your cake. You want your sheet cakes to be kind of thin for this cake. Then you're going to put your number or your letter right on the cake and just cut around. Okay. So we have 2 layers. Okay? Put your cream in. The red really looks nice. I like it.
Like the one. Ice cream sundae. It's not even Sunday.
Isn't that great?
You made these?
Stay tuned for another letter cake video coming soon because I want to make one of my own and share it with you. Please subscribe if you have not already done so. Leave me a comment, share and like, and check out all of my links in the box below. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day. I'll see you next week.